We offer commercial and residential HVAC 24 hours a day. We offer filter cleaning, replacement, diagnosis, whatever it takes to keep your commercial heating and air going and the customer comfortable, we can handle that. We have the capability of doing industrial drain cleaning. It takes bigger equipment than residential drain cleaning. We've had plumbers from Local 16. We rely on their experience. All their trucks are equipped to take care of any emergency or any plumbing job. We have the capability of BIM, GPS tracking where we can lay things out. Our aspirations for big commercial work, I don't see any end to it. We've proven ourselves time and time again that we can do this stuff. I can't ever recall not finishing something or having something happen where we could not finish our commitment. I really don't think in the plumbing field, there's anything we can't handle.